Good morning, students. All right, just now we have done with our revision number 2. We just finished with solving our revision number 2, correct? So this was our revision number 2 that we just finished. Since I said thank you, don't be under impression that we have finished. I'll be doing revision number 3 also now. So for revision number 3, it is taken from chapter 10, Bank and Simple Interest. Okay. In Bank and Simple Interest, the first thing that you need to do is you need to study the formulas. There are two formulae that you need to study. First, amount is equal to principal plus interest. I repeat, amount is equal to principal plus interest. And second one, interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. These are the two formulas. Based on this, all the sums have been solved. So this you have to study for your exam. Next, first question, this was only the formulas. Let's start with the sums. Based on the information, fill in the boxes given below. So based on this information, you have to fill in these boxes. Let's start. Let's see what is the information given. Neha borrowed a sum of 80,000 rupees. Borrowed means this becomes my principal. Very good. At 7% per annum. 7% per annum means becomes my rate of interest. Very good. For a year. For a year means 1 year. At the end of the period, she had to pay back an amount of 5,600 extra. So extra amount. Extra means that becomes my interest. Very good. So you have to fill in the blanks. First, what is the principal over here? Can you tell me, girls, what is the principal? Yes, she borrowed the amount of 80,000. So 80,000 is my principal. Next, rate of interest, 7% per annum. So 7 is my rate of interest. Interest is what? Usually the extra amount that you're paying. Correct? So how much is the extra amount that you're paying? 5,600. So you will write there 5,600. Okay. Time means for how many period of years you are keeping. So a year, there is no number given. A means 1. So it is 1 year. Okay. Total amount returned, they have written 8,000 plus 5,600. 80,000 plus 5,000. 80,000 is nothing but principal plus interest. Interest is 5,600. That gives you amount, correct? Here the formula that they are using is principal plus interest. Okay, so 80,000 plus 5,600 will give you how much? 0 and 0 will give you 1 0. 0 and 0 will give you another 0. 6 and 0 will give you 6. 0 and 5 will give you 5. And 8 with nothing will give you 8. So it is 85,600. Clear with this sums, girls? Okay, this was just reading the question and putting in the blanks. Let's see what are our next question. Next question is solve the following. You have to solve these two questions. Okay, let's start. Since I have a space here, I will do the sums here only. So let me start with what is given. Rohan deposited. First, let me write the second question. This is, I've written here answers and I'm writing here second question. First one. Let me write what is given. What is given, girls? Principal is 4,000. Because they have given, Rohan deposited rupees 4,000. So principal is 4,000 in a school fund at 10% per annum. 10% per annum means rate of interest. Very good. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. Good. For 4 years. For 4 years means time is 4 years. Okay. What is the total amount? You need to find out amount. So to find out amount, you will also need to find out I, correct? This is, you are supposed to find out. So let's start first. You cannot use directly amount formula because amount is principal plus interest. You need to find out interest first. So I will use interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay. So how much is P? Yes, girls, this becomes my solution. So you can write over your solution. You can write over your solution. Okay. And we can start. So this is my formula. How much is P? 4,000 into R is 10 into T is 4 upon 100. Okay, so 0 will get cancelled with this 1 0, and one more 0 will get cancelled this 1 more 0. So what is left on top now? 400 into 4. 400 into 4. 4 4s are 16 and 2 zeros in front of it. So that becomes my, therefore, interest is 1600 rupees. Now you need to find out amount. Amount is equal to, what is the formula? Principal plus interest. That is, how much is principal? 4000 plus 1600. 4000 plus 1600 will give you how much, girls? Very good. 5600. Therefore, amount is 5600. But is this my final statement? No. What is the total amount he will get? So you will write there, Rohan will get total amount of rupees 5600. This is my final answer. Clear to all of you, girls? Okay, good. Now let's see to the second one of this second question. Find a principal. They have already given find principal. This is what you are supposed to find. They have given find principal. If rate of interest R is equal to 6% per annum, this is given. 40 is equal to 4 years. And interest on interest, so interest is equal to 1200. This is already given and you are supposed to find this. So let's start with the solution. What formula will you use, girls? Yes, I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, so I you already know, therefore I you already know, that is 1200. P you don't know, so keep it as it is. R you know, 6 into T you know, 4 upon 100. Now shifting the values, you want only P on one side. So 1200, you will put therefore sign. 1200 into 100. 100 will go on numerator and all this 6 into 4 will come in the denominator. Okay. So now you will do with cancellation, girls. We will do with cancellation. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 0 and 0. What did I do? I divided the number by 6. Next, I'll divide again by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 4 zeros are. So what did I do here next? I divided the number by 4. Okay. Now what is left with P? 50 into 100 is left upon 1. Okay. So how much is P? P is equal to rupees 50 into 500 will give you 5000 rupees. So this is my answer. Clear with this, girls? Clear with this? How you are supposed to do this, girls? So today what have you done? We have solved 2 revisions today. One is revision number 2 and one is revision number 3. This is revision number 3 of chapter 10, Bank and Simple Interest. And we also solved revision number 2 today. Okay. I'll just show it to you all. This. Sanjay, Santosh, this second one and this. Okay. So, hope you all have understood today's content. Tomorrow in the next period, we will do chapter 11 revision. Okay. Circle chapter. Alright. So, thank you very much.